Let's walk through how to create a custom boundary condition in Azore. When setting boundary conditions, you can assign either a constant value or alternatively, you can use profile data. This is useful if you want to set a velocity profile at the flow inlet instead of a constant velocity. In this model, we want to establish an atmospheric boundary layer to simulate wind. Our profile consists of XYZ velocity components and turbulence values for kinetic energy and dissipation rate. We'll start by opening our simulation database in Azore. I'm going to open this in basic mode, which allows access to boundary conditions and runtime data without having to load the mesh or any solution data. This can really save on time for large models. Let's talk about the format of the profile data. This is a simple text file, and at the top, there's a description of what's contained in the profile. We have the name of each variable across the first row, and then these numbers dictate the number of variables, 8, and the number of data points we have in the file. And then all the data are listed in the columns below. Once this file is created, we can load it into Azore. Select Database, Manage Profiles, then press Import. Navigate to the profile data you want to load. Now, Azure has access to the data, but you need to assign it to the boundary of your choice. Navigate to the Boundary Condition dialog. We are going to assign the new profile to the velocity and turbulence of our inlet. Under Momentum, you can choose Profile and then assign the proper variable from your data to this X velocity component. Continue with the Y and Z velocity components. Next, we want to assign the profile data for the turbulence values. Under Turbulence, choose the profile you want and select the corresponding variables in the drop-down. All of our other boundary conditions are set, and now all we need to do is run the simulation, which we can also do from basic mode.